DADDYGVILLE'S world.
What's up, everyone? It is October, which means time for Halloween crafts for kids and cooking videos. Today I'm going to show you how to make hanging bats out of egg crate. And at the end of this video and in the description, I'm going to put some of our last year's videos. If you haven't checked them out, we got Bloody Fingers and Fries, which was a lunch video, and we got our haunted house short film that the whole family helped make. Step 1. Grab the leftover egg crate from your spider project and cut out 3 egg holders. Once cut out, trim the 2 outer holders. Then trim it like the wings is open to where you have a front and back. Step 2. Once all of them are cut out, paint them inside and out. I used spray paint, but you could let your kids do them with black paint and brushes. Step 3. Poke a hole in the top center. Step 4. Cut you a length of string that you want and then place it through the middle, tie a knot, and then pull up. Step 5. Now get your googly eyes, get your glue, and put 2 small dots on the body of where you want his face, and glue the eyes on. And they're done. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss a video.
You're getting all hung up on imaginary problems. You gotta focus on what's real, man.